welcome to my channel. My name is Temi and today I'll be making pancake. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share. Let's get into this video. Right here we have our ingredients. Please don't forget to check the description box so you can know the ingredients I used in this video. The next thing you have to do is to get 2 bowls, mix your dried ingredients in one and mix your wet ingredients in one, and after mixing them properly together, then you combine the 2 bowls together and mix properly to get a very smooth mixture in order not to have lumps in your pancake. Then after that, after mixing and everything, you had melted butter or you had oil, just little into it and mix it as well together. Then you get your fry pan, add little oil or butter into your fry pan and start pouring in your mixture into it. Right here you can see it's not well shaped, but trust me, it really doesn't mean. This pancake I used yogurt instead of milk. I actually used milk, powdered milk, but the yogurt was so much compared to the milk and it tasted so nice. It came out fluffy and trust me, I bet you should try yours, and I'm so 100% sure like you're going to enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and share and comment, and don't forget to let me know if you try this out. I'm adding my honey. You can as well add maple syrup or whatever you have, or sugar or anything. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check my old videos. Bye.